Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I want to say thank you to my fan, and this video also shout out to all my fans. And today I collect the good 3D art to show you. Okay, see the videos. And today I have also like 3D art. This guy always painting 3D art on the road, and he used the charcoal for painting this art, and sometimes he add the color with chalk colors. And this video, seriously, he painting, it's very nice. He drawing like a drunk. Oh, it's so amazing. You can to see it. He painting like real. And next video, this more 3D artwork. He painting very quickly and add some color. It's very nice. Oh my god, have water. Seriously, it's very nice. I like his work. And this video also, he painting the snake. The color is very nice, pink color of snake. He painting the snake for prank his wife. His wife come and very big Christmas. What is next? It's very nice, like building and very nice 3D art. I want to say thank you always my friend, good comment and watching my videos. It is, I think it's very nice. Wow, like stadium. He painting very quickly, but not easy. Wow, very nice. Wow, the new videos. It personalist. His skill is the world champion. No someone cannot painting like his. Very look like real. It's very nice. He add some watercolor like the water through on the road. jump. Okay. He play like art box. Watch. Someone confused with this art, but always after he paint, he clean with the waters and painting a new art. This lotus flower. You know the lotus? Yes. The flowers pink colors and very nice. The lotus flowers is grow up in the water. It's very nice. Oh, jump on the leaf to leaf. One leaf by leaf. Oh, two guys come. Very thank you. Very nice, he said. Oh, the ducks is confused. It's the water. They want to find the food in the water with the Lotus farm. The new one, what is that? Oh, it's one lady like the playing then play snow at the seaside, play the sand near the seaside. It is ball. Very nice. Wow, like a beautiful girl. It's very beautiful. Nice. Okay, this video is finished. Thank you for watching. Bye guys, see you again.